Nature lovers in the South Charlotte area have an amazing opportunity this February. Wing Haven Gardens is waiving admission fees on February 13th and 16th for the Great Backyard Bird Count. This global citizen science project, run by Cornell Lab and the National Audubon Society, lets you help real scientists by counting and recording bird observations. Located at 260 Ridgewood Avenue, Wing Haven is the perfect spot to participate while exploring beautiful gardens. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature and contribute to important bird research right here in Charlotte. Whether you're an experienced birder or just starting out, this free event welcomes everyone. I'm Brian McCarron with South Charlotte Report. Follow for more updates and DM me Report for my free monthly South Charlotte Market Report.